Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today's lesson. In today's video, we are going to listen to a simple conversation at a restaurant. You will follow a slow and easy story about two friends, Tom and Anna, who go to a restaurant for dinner. While you listen, you will also learn useful restaurant vocabulary and everyday expressions that people often use when they eat at a restaurant. Don't worry if your English is still beginner level. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy the story. Take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and let's learn English together. Before we begin the story, I have a small listening question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer during the conversation. Here is the question for today. Which wine is usually served with fish? You will hear the answer during the story. When you know the answer, please write it in the comments section. Writing your answer in English will help you practice and improve your English skills. All right, are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Tom, I'm starving. I didn't eat lunch today.
Really? I'm hungry too. I could eat a big meal right now.
Let's find a nice place to eat.
That sounds like a great idea. Look over there. That restaurant looks nice.
Oh yes, it looks cozy, and I can smell the food from here.
That is always a good sign.
Do you think we need a reservation?
Maybe. Some restaurants require reservations, especially in the evening.
What exactly is a reservation again?
A reservation means you call the restaurant before you come. You tell them what time you will arrive, and they save a table for you.
Oh, right. I remember now. It looks busy inside.
Yes, there are many people.
Do you think they still have space for us?
Let's go inside and ask.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening.
How many people are in your party tonight?
Just 2 people. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
That's okay. We have a table available. Please follow me.
Thank you very much.
Here is your table.
Oh, I love sitting near the window.
Yes, the view is beautiful.
Your server will come shortly.
Wow, there are so many choices.
Yes, this place has a large menu.
What is the difference between appetizers and main dishes?
Good question. An appetizer is a small dish you eat at the beginning of a meal. The main dish is the main part of the meal. It is usually larger and more filling.
That makes sense.
They have soup, salad, pasta, chicken, fish, and steak.
Everything sounds delicious.
I think I want something light tonight.
Maybe the fish?
Yes, fish sounds perfect.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think we are.
Great. What would you like?
I would like the grilled fish, please. Excellent choice.
And for you, sir? I'll have the steak. How would you like your steak cooked? Rare, Medium or well done?
Medium, please.
And what would you like as a side dish? Rice, potatoes, or salad?
Potatoes, please.
Perfect. And something to drink?
Wonderful. I'll bring your drinks soon.
Tom, I have always wondered something.
What is it?
When do people drink red wine and when do they drink white wine?
That's a classic question. Red wine usually goes well with meat
Why is that?
because red wine has a stronger flavor. Meat also has a strong flavor, so they match well together.
That makes sense.
White wine is different. White wine has a lighter taste. That is why it is usually served with fish or seafood.
So white wine goes well with fish.
Exactly. Strong food with strong wine. Light food with light wine.
That's easy to remember.
Here is your steak.
Thank you.
And here is your grilled fish. Thank you very much.
Wow, this steak is fantastic.
Really?
Yes, it's very tender and juicy.
My fish is delicious too.
How does it taste?
It's light and fresh. The lemon sauce is a little sour, but it tastes wonderful.
That sounds great.
I think I still have room for dessert.
Me too.
The chocolate cake looks amazing.
Then you should order it.
Okay, I will.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Do we leave a tip here?
Yes, usually people leave about 15 to 20%.
Then let's leave 20%.
Good idea. The service was excellent.
That was a wonderful dinner.
Yes, the food was fantastic.
And I learned a lot today.
Like what?
I learned about reservations, appetizers, and tips. And I learned that white wine goes well with fish.
You learned a lot tonight.
Now, let me ask the question again. Which wine is usually served with fish? Did you find the answer? If you know it, please write your answer in the comments section. On this channel, we practice English through simple stories and everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.